Apa day ito Samsu?
Half a day.
Can you not di sini ako? Edit. Apa day ito Samsu?
Half a day.
Half day.
Hindi ko kasi sa tutuloy. Apa day si Jus maasi put sa mga naumidu pago si Sagwidu is an mizu Mangge'helo gi Mangge'helo Maga'låhen Hurao and organ din put na Huntan Mangge'helo Maga'låhen Hurao yeah that's quatru. Yeah, that's quatru. In anuncio na Junta para Septiembre 2025 gi Webes dia 11 gi Septiembre 2025 gi public notices portal insegui anuncio tatlo gi Domingo dia 14 pinatunguhan na in records and live stream is on Mommy YouTube channel at Maga'låhen Hurao. Beetsogi pinasa lista na seguro nagwahit. Uli is Gweniza, si Marie, Anamontasi, Joe Noel, si Utdao, Lee Brandon, si Irensha, Frank Itara, Zanguahu, si Sagwi, Brian Solis, pues Guahit Forum. Loco Senior who mission para ta dispensa siya ni Taigwi, si Makat, and si Dina. That's a motion to excuse those not present. Is anyone second?
I second the motion.
So seeing and hearing no issues with that, pues Alec second sige. Malagudu lokui bay motion para tanahalam gi executive session para ta diskuti put campus list jani strategic plan. Lokwi para ta sauna i permit na Mangge'helo Hurao dan sinya siya sa put siya ini put i Hurao na strategic plan. So what that is basically we're moving into executive or I'm motioning to move into executive session to discuss our campus lease and our strategic plan, as well as to allow the previous Mangge'helo Hurao, because they are the ones who know about our strategic plan. So we'd like a seamless transition into our new board. Do I hear anyone seconding that motion?
I second the motion.
Si Luis Maasi Magda. What's the bota? Songan Hungan Pat Aki and who Agang ina Anmu. Okay. Sagwi Hungan Anamuntasi.
Hungan.
Irensha. Si Luis Maasi. Taigwi si Makat. Gweniza.
Okay.
Taigwi Loki si Airi. Utdao.
Hungan.
Si Luis Maasi po di botan music wahas 5 na botan Hungan dan 2 na ta dispensa sa Taigwi siya. Pues tatutuhun i executive session gi alas 5 gi talawani. Sempre ta fatu tati gi regular na junta gi alas 6:30. So for now, we'll go ahead and move into executive session at 5 p.m. Then we'll come back to resume the regular meeting at 6:30. All right, guys. So I will see you. We'll go ahead and close it out, and then we'll see you at 5 p.m. Masi for joining us at this time.
Yes.